Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Xbox app not updating and giving the error code 0x80073cfb on a Windows PC. The first thing to do is restart your computer. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches that block the Xbox app from updating. After restarting, try opening the Microsoft Store and checking for updates again. If that does not work, the next step is to reset the Xbox app. To do this, go to the Start menu, type Add or Remove Programs and click on it. Find the Xbox app in the list, select Advanced Options, and click Reset. This will clear the app's cache and settings, but it will not remove your games. Once the reset is done, try updating the app again. Another thing you can try is to reset the Microsoft Store itself. Go to Settings, then Apps, search for Microsoft Store, click Advanced Options, and choose Reset. This will refresh the store and can fix problems that stop apps from updating. Finally, make sure Windows Update is not pending. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, and install any available updates. A missing system update can sometimes cause the Xbox app to fail. After trying these steps, the Xbox app should be able to update without showing the 0x80073cfb error. Thanks for watching.